Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be making an origami tank. This is what our tank will look like. You can design yours to be a square cannon or a triangular cannon. I'll teach you how to make both. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, if you have colored paper, I suggest you have to start with the white side up and the colored side facing downwards. And our first step is to fold in half diagonally. So fold it, crease it, unfold, do the same thing on the other side, fold it, crease it, unfold. Now rotate your paper like this, and we're gonna take this side and fold it to the middle. Make sure it's precise, make your crease. Same thing on the other side. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and also fold it to the middle on top of this. So align it and then make your crease. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna rotate it like this and take this and fold it inside. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this corner and fold it along this edge. And now reverse it. So we're gonna fold this way. Now unfold. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and fold it like this along the existing creases, and then flatten this out like that. Just maybe you wanna do it like this so it's more easier. And make sure to fold it along the crease we made. Okay, fold it tightly. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So first fold it like this. And now fold it the other way. And now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna fold like this and then fold downwards. Like so. Just fold it tightly. And this is how it should look. Because you can just fold that in. And now we're gonna take one flap and fold it to the other side, and take this and fold it in half. And now we're gonna fold it back. And now we're gonna fold this flap that we folded over here back. And now we're gonna turn it around and do the same thing. now we're gonna unfold. Now we're gonna take this and open it and take the flap out of here, and now fold it along the existing creases. I'm gonna be making a square cannon. I'll teach you how to make a triangular cannon too. So if you wanna make a triangular cannon, you fold this along the middle crease. You fold it and you do the same thing on the other side. And then you would have to fold again, like that. You would have to fold on both sides. I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a square cannon. We're gonna be taking this side and fold it to the middle, crease it, and now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And now we're gonna fold it again, like this, on the other side as well. And now, see this? We're gonna fold it inside. So it should look like that. Okay, now for this. We're gonna take this flap and fold it upwards. Crease it. Fold this upwards. Crease it. Now, all we have to do is fold it and lock it into place. We're gonna flip it over, fold this, almost halfway, but not halfway. So it's like this, unfold, fold this back, and fold this forward, and tuck it in here. And now, see these two flaps? We're gonna lift one side of the cannon up, tuck it in there, put it back into place, and lift the other side and put that into place, and reinforce if necessary. And that's our tank, guys. Like these two right here. This will be your triangular cannon once you finish it, and these are the two square cannons. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. That really helps my channel a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.